In this video, I'm making a paracord knife handle wrap. Let's take a close look at this Columbia River CRKT combo edge knife. First, I wrap the blade with duct tape, because I don't want to cut myself. I already cut a piece of paracord to length. Now I make a loop and put it along the handle. I start wrapping the handle from one side to the other. Now I put the end of the paracord through the loop. I pull at the other end of the cord. This way the loop takes the remaining cord inside the handle. It's really tight and hard to pull. This way it will not get loose by itself. I cut the remaining cord to make it look neat and tidy. I melt both ends to stop it from fraying. You can still see the pocket clip sticking out of the paracord wrap. If you want a more cleaner look, you could remove the pocket clip. Last but not least, I strip off the duct tape. There are many other ways to do a paracord knife handle wrap. If you like it, I might do other variations of a paracord wrap. A knife is more safe to use with a paracord handle wrap like this. Thank you for watching and liking my video.